Hi friends, today we are going to see about what are the problem occurs in two-stroke engine in lockdown period. Okay, in lockdown period, vehicle must be in rest condition. We won't use our engine. Okay, after being the lockdown period over, we need to start our engine. That time engine won't start it up. This is the main problem. Okay, today we are going to discuss about how the problem occurs, how we can prevent from that starting problem and lockdown fever. Okay, the main problem for starting problem of the engine is the carburetor is the only problem for starting problem to the engine. Because of we used fuel as and petrol, we mixed oil on it, 2T oil and fuel used as a in petrol tank. After that fuel, that oiled mixed petrol will come through this carburetor, and then it will vaporize the petrol and the oil. It will go to the engine. This will be working on normal condition. Okay, this is called mixed lubrication. That's why we use oil in petrol tank mixed with petrol and oil. In that kind of condition, petrol, oil, air. See this air filter and this air filter. You go through the air and three are mixed in this carburetor and flow through the engine. In that kind of time, uh, carburetor mix all kind of oil, petrol and air and go through this engine. That time air and fuel, petrol will be combust and go through the exhaust. Okay, go through the exhaust, and the oil will be in used as a lubrication as a piston. That's why we use it as the oil in petrol. This is called mixed lubrication because the two-stroke engine doesn't have crankcase. Crankcase sucked some sub oil sump. That's why we use it as a lubrication as a fuel to go up carburetor. It's called a mixed lubrication. Okay, in this kind of time, what happens in lockdown period? We not using for a engine long time means that mixed petrol and oil will be stored in tank. Later it go through this carburetor. Okay, that time of petrol will be lose its properties because of quality. Petrol quality will be loose. Later then the oil will be stored in carburetor and will block some ventures valve needles. So that kind of minute hole will be blocked in that time. That's why after lockdown period we started engine means petrol will be not go through this engine through this carburetor due to some deposits and the oil component will be stuck in this venturi type needles and that kind of holes, minute holes. This is the main reason for starting problem. Okay, how we need to precaution means just before you going to lockdown or you going to travel any other long place means before you do you think just you know I need no vehicle for 6 months or 1 month means you need to just do simple steps. First step, first you need to turn off the fuel before you going to the stop engine on longer period means you need to turn off the fuel and drain the old petrols or before drain the old petrol from this petrol line from the petrol tank. Okay, you need to drain all the petrols in petrol lines and this there's a float chamber, carburetor float chamber. You need to fully drain it. How you need to drain means just off the valve and turn on the engine and leave it in, just leave it in ideal condition. The deposited petrol will be suction through this carburetor engine and it will be combust and go out. At that time petrol will be closed means the carburetor will be fully in empty condition. After lockdown period over or when we need to start the engine means turn on the petrol and just leave it for 5 minutes because the petrol need to flow through the carburetor and it need time to vaporize the petrol. That time vaporized means you leave it when engine started, don't need to raise up of engine, just leave it in ideal condition because you need time to vaporize the fuel and circulation. After the engine started in condition means you need to go. That's all. This is the lockdown fever remedies. Thank you for watching.